In this video, I'll guide you through how to pause a Microsoft Ads campaign. There are several situations where you might want to pause an advertising campaign instead of deleting it. You may want to temporarily stop running ads while you update your campaign, adjust your budget, pause seasonal promotions, or simply stop spending until you're ready to advertise again. Pausing a campaign allows you to preserve all of its settings so you can reactivate it whenever you need to. To get started, sign into your Microsoft Ads account and wait for the main dashboard to load. Once you're on the home screen, look at the navigation menu on the left-hand side and click on Campaigns. After that, select Campaigns again to display the complete list of campaigns associated with your account. You'll now see all of your active and inactive campaigns. Scroll through the list until you find the campaign you want to pause. Active campaigns are typically identified by a green status indicator next to the campaign name, making it easy to see which campaigns are currently running. The quickest way to pause a campaign is to hover over the campaign and locate the small drop-down arrow next to its status. Click the arrow, then choose Pause from the available options. Microsoft Ads will process the request, and after a few moments, the campaign status will update to show that it is no longer active. There's also another way to accomplish the same task. Instead of using the status menu, select the checkbox next to the campaign you want to pause. Once you've selected it, a toolbar will appear near the top of the page. Click Edit, then choose the Pause option from the available actions. This method can be especially useful if you're planning to pause multiple campaigns at the same time. After Microsoft Ads refreshes the page, you'll see that the selected campaign has been successfully paused. At this point, your ads will stop running, and the campaign will no longer generate impressions or clicks until you decide to activate it again. Pausing a campaign is a great way to temporarily stop advertising without losing your campaign settings, targeting, keywords, or performance history. When you're ready to start advertising again, you can simply return to the same campaign and change its status back to active. And that's all there is to it. Whether you use the campaign status menu or the edit option after selecting the campaign, both methods allow you to quickly pause a Microsoft Ads campaign while keeping everything ready for future use.